Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mirror images in Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could hit the subscribe button and also the like button, that would be amazing. Okay, so let's jump into it. So to start with, we are in canva.com, and what we're going to do is come to the left-hand side and we're going to select one of our pictures that we've got here. So I've got this gorgeous picture of this little puppy that I'm going to select. So I just clicked on it and it has brought my image over here. Now what we're going to do is we are just going to create a copy of this image. So what we're going to do is do Control C and then we're going to do Control V, and that has created that copy for us. So then if you come up to the top here of this toolbar, you can see that you've got edit, photo, flip, and a couple of other options. If you come to the flip button, and then you can see that you can flip horizontal or vertical. So we're going to press the horizontal button, and there we go. You can see that that has flipped that image for us, or you can come down and flick the vertical button, and that has now flipped that image vertical for you. And that is it, guys. That is how to mirror images in Canva. I hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. And we will see you guys in the next one.